Hi there! Welcome to our 3-minute tutorial on how to track on-site tasks with Code. Are you looking for a simple and flexible way to create and track tasks, such as cleaning and maintenance, without breaking the bank? With Code, you can set up your first task tracking QR code in just a few clicks and update it anytime, all by yourself and from the comfort of your office. Ready to see how easy it is? Let's start with the first step. Go to the Code website. Log in or create an account on app.ubicode.com. Creating an account is free, and you get 100 credits when you first sign up, which is plenty to test Ubicode's QR codes. Now let's move on to step 2. Create a task form. Click on the Interfaces page on the left side of the menu and select Create. Select Task Completion, and then click on Multiple Choice. Give a name to your form so you'll be able to identify it easily later. Then you can customize the text that will appear on screen. For example, press a button to select an action. You can customize the buttons to display the task you want. You can assign cleaning tasks, maintenance tasks, or any other tasks that your on-site team has to complete. In this video, we're giving you different examples of what these tasks could be, but feel free to add whichever ones suit your business's needs. You can also change the colors of the buttons, and you can add more buttons whenever you want. This form is entirely customizable and will allow your team to check tasks as they go, so that you'll know precisely which ones have been done. The goal is to share their checklist directly to their smartphone. If you want your team to share proof, go to Advanced Parameters, where you can easily enable and disable the GPS location or the photo taking feature. Once you're happy with your interface, click Create and your task form will be ready to use. Now that your task form is ready, let's link it to a QR code. That's step 3. Create a tracker. Creating a tracker will help you link the form you just created or any other new form you create to a specific QR code. To start, click on Trackers on the menu on the left. Then, click on the Code button. Give a name to your tracker, for example, Site A. Once you're done, select the interface we created in the Forms drop-down menu. You can link your tracker to a specific site, add a dispatch to send your data to your software, or assign a group to your tracker. Keep in mind one tracker equals one specific location. Click on Create and you're good to go. Now that we have our setup ready, let's check that everything works as planned. That's our last step. Test your QR code. With the help of a smartphone, scan the QR code and click on the link. Your task list should appear on screen. Select as many options as you'd like and click on Validate. Congratulations, you just created your first task list with Code. Did you know? With Code, you can update your task list on Monday.com or your favorite project management tool automatically and in real time. We'll be sharing how to do so in the next tutorial, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or would like to get a quote, don't hesitate to send us an email or visit our website. See you on the next tutorial.